Alkaline was the first artist when I run down in media. When I listen more chat, we just avoid the whole dancehall people them and work with antisocial behavior and him thing a trend.
A few moments later.
No emotions. With them, Alkaline, I could have really say we out here wait pan this song of fuckery.
2,000 years later.
Avoid some people, and not everybody will call your name, you look pan them. And not every post you post with your name in your look pan it. Alkaline style a work, and it's been working for years.
One eternity later.
I may really take my time and go back, go listen this song. Me listen it about 3 times. I say, maybe when I miss something at the get-go. So I listen this song about 3 times. I watch it on my TV, my headphone is soaking in my brain. Vendetta fans, me I telling you the truth. This song is still fuckery.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
I know every night we make round you, your answer to. I know today them a call Alkaline name and him no look pan them.
You never move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
You don't know one Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. People. Yo, people them say, I be a money pull up a go on the new song, you know. No emotion, no emotion. Yeah, man, you know, it a mash up the place, you know. Is it? So, for the new year, no emotions. All of the people them who are bad mind and dip on your name, I call your name. Yeah, man, no emotions, man. You understand? No service, bad connection. But look at now. Shakin Murray, I go tell you what I go on.
Alkaline do name no emotion. It a mash up the place, you know. I say mash up the place. I mean in a Jamaica all one, you know. All over the place. The song they mash up, you know. Yo, me seen at some party, you know. And money pull up the song I get, you know. And you know what me have one vlogger say? The song a garbage. But in a sense, I can't overstand the vlogger, you know. Because I know every vlogger overstand where Alkaline sings, you know.
Shakin Murray, so you think set, you know. Them man, them not really listen music, you understand? Yeah, man, them not listen music, them not understand, them IQ very low. You see me? So, through Alkaline song now, your brain have intelligent, you see me? And have understanding. Them not really have that. It's because them used to tracing for the media and all of them look thing there. Yeah, man. I saw them man the thing set, you see it?
Because maybe them brain not depend them heights, them level there. To dissect it and break down the words then. Zane, I don't know out of what ego that vlogger said that. If him only said that because of biasness or is because him just no overstand what the artist are saying say. But me can tell you this, the more and more you listen to that song, and the more and more you get it, and the more and more you overstand it, and the more and more you realize that song is not normal, no emotion, big bad song, be a money pull up and say I go on in a club.
Yeah, man. You see, more while, you know, you have the haters, you know. But at the end of the day, it's so funny that them narrate Alkaline, but them listen theme song more than them artists. You understand? Them wait for theme song, them wait for him album. Everything, you know, as Alkaline drop a song, boom. Them put a camera in front of them face and ready for talk. When for them artists drop for them song, nothing you not see no reaction, nothing. It show you, know, so when something good, people are gonna talk about it. I remember say you don't know if nobody not really pre them artist song, you know, and them say a next artist song I get be a talk about, and yeah, them are kind of bad mind. So look at now, one spoil thing out of the bunch. Them I go come remember in I saw the cloud thing and the internet world. So look at now, if 100 people say your song bad, and that one bunch there, one, you understand? One dash thing forward out and say yo, song a shaggy. Them I go pre where him say. You understand? So him want a clout off of it. You see it? Because them don't really know music. Them don't listen music. You see it? A bag of Ray, this, that. Because look at them now review for them artist music. So what you think them are going to do with Alkaline one?
About, let me tell you something. Alkaline, you take that sledgehammer there and give the nail a broke waff lick. Connect. Me, Shakin Murray said that.
Yeah, man, people. You don't know Alkaline music stay already, you know. You see me? It always be a talk about whatever Alkaline I do. You understand? Like, yo, when him drop a music, it's like, yo, it just start a bag of talking and all of them because someday. You understand? I just say thing, I just Alkaline that and empowers. You see me? It shows the music very powerful. Yeah, man. But people, see, our next brother forward out, you know, I have to make you ear way myself.
His first official.
You see me? I have to make you ear way myself. You see it? But you don't know. He's a Vendetta youth. And he might say some things. You see it?
His first official music video for the new year, right? And the Vendetta fans, they appreciate the music that was put out. The video was clean, down to the T. Everything was well thought out. Cool? The lyrics of the song, the flow, the clarity, the delivery, everything was on point. Everything was good. Now, as a Vendetta fan, I can safely say, this is something that we have been waiting for. It is something that we have been anticipating from last week when his manager put out that we should turn on our post notification on Thursday. And the entire Thursday, everybody a bleach. We bleach whole Thursday, Friday morning. Reggie, the entire social media platform, IG, TikTok, YouTube, everybody was anticipating the release of his first song. No.
Yo, let me tell you people. Yo, remember back in them days there, like about 2016, 2015, around them time there, 2017. You see when Alkaline about to drop one music, yo, me usually have some bridging. The man them a bleach till 12 o'clock. Alkaline are the only fan base me see do that. Like, yo, me no know. Them bleach for wait on the song them. It show you say yo Alkaline make him fans them focus on the music. At that's how me rate with the youth. Him fans them seem like what I tell you. Man them say yo 12 o'clock you know. You see it? Even the people them wanna rate Alkaline, them wait on it too. You understand? Them wait on the song, you know. Cause look here, you see because they don't rate Alkaline, them are ready to see what go on, you know. The whole of them and them now wait on them artist song. Them not even a bleach. You understand? But when it comes to Alkaline and Theme fans them, yo, them a bleach. Me I tell you, them a bleach on that date there. Them now got them bed. Me I tell you, them now got. Because I remember in them days in 2016, them time there. Man them say, yo, 12 o'clock, you know. Yo, boss, I got drop a song, you know. Everybody a wait. Notification, man them they on YouTube a wait. Yo, man them a wait for that notification they pop up, you know. That me I tell you. Some know say, yo, Vendetta people them well loyal. You understand? Even when it comes to music. You understand? And trust me, them a go put up them video, them a go do this with the music. Everything. You see it? Music. That's how Alkaline bring to him fans them. You see me? And one thing in a dancer, you see Alkaline fans them listen to music. Yo, them can tell you any line. Them listen to music. Listen to the lyrics. Yo, when Alkaline drop a song, yo, Alkaline are only artist when me a man drop a song. Yo, everybody, I say, yo, where I say, yo, what this mean? Yo, what is? Yo, certain fan base, them now go meds that. Them now have a IQ. Only thing where them good for fraud on the media and trace. That's all them good for. So when Alkaline drop music and Alkaline drop in some, and them a get the lyrics and everything, people go all dictionary, go read and all of them little thing there. You see it? Them can't bother with that because they're not used to that. You see it? So I just say things that
There's something I want to talk about. Because as a fan of the artist, cool? We know good music. And the reason we know good music is because we take time out to listen to the music when them drop. Now, you have two persons specifically. Two are the Plaza fan them. You have one named Plaza Panty. Yeah man, you know who I'm talking about. Plaza Panty. In the on YouTube, I think we see him on TikTok more while too. And you have one named what name again? Two of them insignificant, that's remember the name. J Pro. J Pro or something like that. J Pro him I gonna mention say Alkaline song when put out a nonsense. Cool? Plaza Panty. Him also share the same sentiment. No, look at this now. During December, during the lyrical clash between
I'm tell the people, them two man they progress and you don't know other one them attack about the cartel blogger. You understand? You have to understand, you know, them man they not really meds music. Them man they only deal with drama and whatever said about cartel in the media. Them man they with trace till a morning. That's how them man they no business about no music. That's why when the cartel drop album and them little thing there, I always say Vice Cartel have the wrong set of fan them. The wrong set. Cause him have a huge fan base, but it's like the support when it comes to music with albums and certain things, it just not there. Them now review him song them. You understand? Them now no time. It's like how them, right now them talk about Alkaline music more than Fame. Right now. Me I tell you. Cause J Progress, so you see all the Fame self there, you know. Seeing more oil come out. Seeing come and talk about Alkaline this. Alkaline then boom, he just switch up. But true, him dep on TikTok and him say everybody a review Alkaline song and you know do them look a skit, him feel a way. You understand? Because look at it, female artist now no song when you can go review and talk about it. You understand? All him talk about drama who this artist and that them not deal with music. And no music when it comes to Cartel with them. I just drama and tracing and one bag of thing. You see it? Vendetta people them and music them deal with. Cause that Alkaline put right front of them face. Music. You understand? So them man there, I just done that. Them not have a better do. You see it?
Massacre and Family. You know, reference was made. Family made a reference that Massacre was afraid of XYZ. Massacre responsible, I'm not afraid of nobody. Then Sean Stam jump in and make reference to Alkaline. Jesse jump in, make reference to Alkaline. Black Rhino jump in, make reference to Alkaline. Alkaline did not pay them any mind. As the man saying a new song, all those who try to get to me, yeah man, no connection. Bad connection. Can't get to me. So, them two plaza man there will come out and chat about the song and nonsense. Let's be careful. So, the fact that Alkaline's name was referenced so much time during that little lyrical confrontation, what they were expecting was that Alkaline was going to come and address people who made reference to him in the war. And the fact that he did not make any reference in regards to the war, they were disappointed. Hence the reason them come and say the song a foolishness.
Well, a regular thing with them, you know. You understand? I just them type of man, they like, I know the first this happen. Remember when Cartel forward from prison, seeing, and Cartel drop him first song. Remember, you know, Alkaline have theme song them put on long time before Cartel forward out, you know. See, because you know as artists not just Vice song a moment. Sometimes I sang Vice all 6 months before, 7 months before and have it put on. I just the time when to release it. So Alkaline release. So when after that, you know, after the thing they go on, after Cartel found out and drop him song. So everybody know. Cause them must say, Cartel attack book. Some you career drop like Nicki Minaj, you know. So everybody a look where Alkaline got drop now. So Alkaline got drop one song named Take a Girl Man or whatsoever. You understand? He might drop some song for him females them. See? The man them vex. Man them say, what is? A wrong song him drop. Or him to drop that song here because them want a little back and forth thing with him and Cartel, but Alkaline now meds that. Alkaline just put out him music. And then after that, Alkaline put out how him put out? I think he put out Blanco. And I think after that was the next woman song. And then after I must put out Dangerous with her. But Alkaline have him song them put out long time. But them feel like the Alkaline have meds Cartel and them like a thing. They see it. But I just one of them things. Them man they don't really care about the music. You see it. So them are going to expect things from Alkaline. Because when you check it still, you know, them rate Alkaline. Because when you rate somebody, you know, you watch everything like when am I going to release? You even wait pan it. Because the same J Progress there. Him say, you might wait pan it how long? I wait pan the song. But you never hear them say them wait pan Cartel song them. But I just say things said.
I don't understand your logic. I don't understand your reasoning. You are not a fan of the man. So why are you anticipating his music?
That me always say, no. If you are not one fan of one artist, why you wait till the artist finish? Yo, dog. Yo, people, I just say, Alkaline a legend in that game, yeah, dog. Trust me. When it comes to music, yo, everybody have to talk about it.
Vybz Kartel released over the past 2 months multiple audios and videos. Go check it on YouTube. Multiple. About 20 songs over the past 2 months. Yeah? And I am 100% sure that none of you guys, J Progress or J Pro World, you see one, and Plaza Panty, I am 100% sure that none of you reviewed any of Cartel's songs.
Yeah, man, them man don't do them thing. Yo, you have to understand, you know, when Cartel a drop album, and them little thing there, brother, and I must say one album out of the one where himself must say 980 copy. You understand? The man in a business, the man in a review in a Cartel song, them not promote it, them not promote him album, them and all of them little thing there. You understand? So them not used to them thing there, you know. You see, them not business about Cartel music we might release now. You see it, but if you say something about Cartel, them would different that. You see it.
An Alkaline song within 1 day outperform most of the songs that Cartel dropped over the past 2 months. So why is it now you are paying attention to Alkaline song? Because you were disappointed? He did not do what you expected him to do? Virginia Wagner, man. Only if you have sense, using the head. Alkaline have put up music for you. Alkaline is putting up music for his fans, his core Vendetta fans from day one, and those who came on along the way. So why you die-hearted Gaza fans get mad and get angry when Alkaline is not putting up music to please you? You don't get it, it no make no sense.
Why, I say going on my general. More people, a lot of people that ask the same question there. You understand? I don't know them get angry. A lot of them say forward out, yo, what this man drop, dog? Yo, dog, what this man drop? This and that. And they not pay the artist music. They not pay the artist song when release. You not hear them talk, but when Alkaline drop something, you think say, yo. But I say go. Them always say Vendetta fan them, yo, this and them go on like say Alkaline and Ray. But them still also Alkaline music. Enough of them. As them lock them door and go in at them house. Alkaline that not them speaker. Cause the youth do good music. You understand? Good music him do. But I saw it going a promotion for the artist, you know. All when them say yo the song a shaggy, you know. I still promotion same way. Cause look at now. Y'all gonna make people go listen it. Because y'all use your bias thing and all of them. So when you say yo song a shaggy, I still promotion same way because people are gonna listen it. And the people that have sense, listen it, them are gonna know say yo the song tough. You understand? But one of them thing there, see me, you always have them type of people in the media, you know? But you don't know a dancehall, you see me, one dancehall, a one music, you see. But people, big up on yourself, you know, don't know one media facts, you know, there's no other, you see it, that is it.